sexy people? Thank you for meeting me here in the Martini Room once again. I am your girl, the goddess Nyomi Banks, and we got a very, very special show for you tonight. Yes, we actually called it, we're calling it, ain't gonna call anything, we're calling it the Battle of the Brands in the Martini Room. Yes, the Battle of the Brands in the Martini Room. So what it is that we're gonna do 2 martinis, same ingredients, but different brands. And if folks don't know what I mean when I mean different brands, you know how you have like over 1,000 different brandies, 1,000 different tequilas, 1,000 different vodkas, but we all can use it in making the same drink, but it tastes different. And I noticed because when I go out to the club, one of my favorite drinks is a Cosmopolitan. And every time, and I love when bartenders ask me, what type of vodka do you want in your Cosmo? And I'm like, oh, thank you so much. I usually go for the, when I'm feeling a little, good, I go for the Grey Goose. Or sometimes I put it in a little Kettle One. But if my money is a little funny, then I'm Absolute all day. So tonight, we got 2. Well, actually, one of my favorites, one is something that I've never used before, I never drank it before, but I've heard people talk about it. So I'm going back in old school with this one favorite that I have, and it's called Malibu. I know you guys remember Malibu back in the day. I remember with the Malibu and cranberry, Malibu and orange juice, Malibu and pineapple juice. Well, I got a nice little martini that I just created today, and I'm gonna do it right here, live on camera for you guys. So if you guys are ready, because I know I'm ready. You guys ready for the battle? You ready for the battle? All right, let's get it. All right, so look, these are the ingredients, but first, let me tell you who's in the battle tonight. We have Malibu right here. Malibu Rum. And then right here, we have Rum Chatta. Rum Chatta Rum. Yes. So the thing is that I'm going to use the same ingredients all across the board with everything, but the only thing different is the brand. That's the only thing that's different. So if you're new and you haven't watched any of the videos before, know that these glasses are not your normal size glasses. These are what I call a double shot glasses, or as I say, they're Nyomi servants. And as you see, I previously prepared them, frost them up, put them in the refrigerator, and then it's time to go. All right, so here's the ingredients. All right, so we will have the Diamond White Chocolate, Lacroix, yes. We will have Grey Goose, vodka, yes. We will have Malibu on this side, and we will have Rum Chatta on this side, as well as coconut, white chocolate, and a little marshmallows in it, right? So let me be honest with this. Now, this drink, I really don't know how it's gonna taste because I actually just created this today. Literally, as I was shopping in Costco's, I created this martini in my head. So I don't even have a name for it. So after we watch this video today, I'm asking all of my viewers here if you can give me a name. I'm gonna have 2 choices for you. And then we're gonna vote on that. And then whoever has the highest, that's what we're gonna call it. All right? All right, so here we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to mix in. So you see I have two different mixers, 2 different flasks right here. I have 2 different ones. So I wanna make sure that I don't mix anything up. Now these 2 bottles have never been opened. So we're opening this right here live on camera, because I wanna make sure that it's a fair competition. Yes, I'm treating it like it's a basketball game. I'm treating it like it's a boxing match. Yes, that is how I'm treating it. I want to make sure, if you guys only knew. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in the common ingredients that we have, which is our vodka and our white Godiva chocolate. All right, you ready? All right, so remember again, these are double shots. All right, double shots. All right, so I'm gonna go first with our vodka, our Grey Goose vodka. So remember, this is my measuring. So this one right here on this side, this is my ounce. You turn it over, this is my half ounce right here. So we're gonna do an ounce. So even though this drink calls for, when it's one serving, it calls for 1.5 ounces of Grey Goose, we're going to do 3. Okay? So the thing is, I'm going to do 3 here, and I'm going to do 3. Messy there. 1 2 All right, so next we're going to do all right, and this calls for, it's only an ounce that is needed for this, okay? It's only an ounce. Actually, it's a half an ounce for the regular serving, but Nyomi's serving is an ounce. All right, so here we go. So next, so this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to rinse this out and wipe it out. So you know that I'm not mixing anything together. Oh yeah, I'm trying to make it as fair as possible. Truly, as fair as possible. Let me try it out. All right, and so we're going to do my old school favorite. We're gonna do the Malibu first. So we just pop that bottle right now. Never been open. Ooh, it tastes, I haven't had this in so long. Let's see. And for this, let me sorry, my apologies. For this, we're gonna use 1.5 ounces is for the regular, and we're gonna do 3 ounces for this. And now we're going to do the Rum Chatta, and I hope that I'm saying it right, Rum Chatta. So like I said before, this is my very first time drinking this. I know friends of mine that, you know, mix it in their drinks and different stuff like that. But I myself have never tasted, so this will be the first time. So I hope I like it. So this counts again. It's 1.5 if it's a regular serving, and it's 3 for a Nyomi serving. 3. Okay. So we know what time it is now. It is time to shake them up. And make sure they on there tight. I ain't never had a double fist. Sorry, that wasn't a good one, was it? All right, so I'm gonna need my music. I wanna make sure they tight though. My music. All right. Here we go. Thank you. And you shake it till it's chilled. Yes. All right. See, the funny thing is that this is actually the first time that I use this one. I actually got this as a gift for Christmas, and I wanted to wait. But I guess this is how you do it. You can pop your cherry right now on the camera, right? Okay, there we go. Like that one. There we are. All right, so here we go. We're gonna pour it down. Well, already I see that the Rum Chatta has a little darker color to it than the Malibu. It's a little thicker, what I see thus far. Okay. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little coconut here, and I love marshmallows. Put a little marshmallows in there to float for little decorations. All right, so this is we have either we can call this the coconut rush martini, or we can call this the coconut obsession martini. So let me try this. I'm gonna do the Malibu first and see how that tastes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It got a kick to it. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so now is the Rum Chatta. Oh, that's good. Oh. Oh, that's good. Oh. That's good. Look, the face tells it all. It really does. The face tells it all. And it was my first time ever drinking the Rum Chatta, and I love my Malibu, but the Rum Chatta has won for me. It literally has. It's a little bit. It's thicker. It's more creamier than the Malibu, and then really in difference in prices as well. I think they kind of like the same. Probably give a dollar or two maybe off of it, but wow, Rum Chatta wins. It really does. All right, guys. So wow. Wait, let me taste this one more time. Hold on. Oh, that's good. Oh, this is really, really good. Oh yeah. All right. So Rum Chatta might be my new rum. It might be my new drink. Damn. All right, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in once again to right here at Meet Me in the Martini Room. As as I said before, my name is Nyomi Banks. You guys know who I am, Nyomi Banks, and I truly enjoy you guys coming back. Give me comments, like, share, subscribe. If you guys have any ideas that you want to share with me about some new martinis or whatever, or something that you want me to try, and just to see if I can make it, please leave a comment down there. Email me. All will be down there in the information. Everything will be down there in the information. Remember, always drink responsibly. As I always say, always keep it sexy. Keep doing your thing. Until the next, meet me in the Martini Room.